Hello, second grade families. I'm so sorry that you weren't able to join us at open house yesterday, but I put together this quick presentation so you would know what to expect that first day of school. So school starts on Tuesday, September 7th from 9:10 a.m. to 3:55 p.m. You can start dropping off on the patio at 9:05. Make sure your child is able to tell me how they are getting home that day. You should have Class Dojo from last year. Please check to see if you still have that app. If you do not have the app, I can invite you, so no worries. If you do have the app, you are already set up and able to communicate with me using Class Dojo. A couple important things to know about our classroom this year. Every day your child's going to bring home a blue take-home folder. Please make sure that folder gets emptied and brought back. Breakfast and lunch will be free again this year, so no need to send in money. We are a peanut-free classroom, but please make sure you send a snack in with your child every day. Here are the specials. Each day, students will need gym shoes on Tuesday, which is the first day of school. You'll have an opportunity to order some Scholastic books. I'm sorry, but we're not able to do birthday treats this year, but don't worry, we'll make sure that we sing and make your child feel extra special on their day. If your child normally rides the bus home, but you need to pick him or her up, please send in a note or call the office to let us know of that change. We are doing a Scholastic Weekly Reader this year. If you are able to, please send in $5 so our classroom can enjoy that special magazine. They love it. Masks are required while we are indoors. Please make sure your child has a clean one every day, but don't worry if they forget, we do have disposable ones here. We will still use Chromebooks while we're in class. So if your child wants to bring their own pair of earbuds for their Chromebook, please put it in a Ziploc bag with their name on it, and we'll keep it here at school. That way they have their own set. You are able to get a hold of me 3 different ways. You can email me, you can call the school, or you can use that app, Class Dojo, to contact me and message me through there. If you were here last year, you probably already have the app. If you are new to our school, don't worry, I can send an invite. Or this paper, along with the All About Me paper, will get sent home with your child on the first day of school. So again, I am super excited to meet your child on the very first day of school, Tuesday, September 7th at 9:10 in the morning. It is a full day. Make sure your child knows how they're getting home. If they're a car rider that day, we'll meet on the patio. But if they're riding the bus, we'll make sure they get on the bus as well. Welcome to Mrs. Merolla's second grade. See you on Tuesday.